A gem within this tranquil setting. From the moment you enter this outstanding 3-bedroom family canal waterfront home, you become fully aware of all the many features on offer, both within the property itself and also the private and secluded front and rear yard. An ideal property in which to relax, entertain, whilst taking in the splendid views over the rear mature yard and canal front. Boat owners will certainly appreciate the fact that its location is so close to the mouth of the Pumpstone Passage, giving easy access to Moreton Bay and beyond. Nestling on a 916 square metre block, the well-laid and easily maintainable property briefly affords internal accommodation, covered entrance to tiled inner hallway, central well-equipped kitchen having breakfast bar, formal lounge and dining area, informal lounge and dining area, master bedroom with walk-through robe to ensuite, 2 further bedroom and 2nd bathroom, laundry. Outside, secluded front, side and rear yard, in-ground saltwater pool, large undercover outdoor entertainment area enjoying canal views, several recessed areas to enjoy views over the mature rear yard, cat-friendly rear yard fencing to canal frontage, 10-metre pontoon, 3.25 kilowatt solar system, 2,000 litre water tank, spear pump. Conveniently situated close to all local facilities here on Bribie Island and within easy commuting distance of Brisbane CBD and the Brisbane Airport.